today we're going to be talking about the gadgets that I'm using. I'm filming with my Sony ZV-E10 as well as my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And I just want to sit here and show you guys, just in case if you guys been wondering which one should you get, should I get both? I want to show you guys the difference for me and me using both of them at the same time. So let's first and foremost go through the specs. And no, this is not going to be some kind of very detailed tech review. No. These are both being used straight out the box, but we're just gonna keep it very simple, very basic. I'm just showing you guys of me using both of these products and how they look. So if you saying like that girl using them and she don't know what she doing, I can sit here and pop my camera on and use it too. Hey, I'm trying to encourage you and encourage me at the same time. So let's get right into the specs of these two products that I have. Let's start off with my first camera right here. This one right here is the Sony ZV-E10. Now this one I actually got with the kit lens, and so it came with a charger, that kit lens, and it came with a little wig to put on top of the mic. That was it. And I'm gonna link the price of how much that costs right here. Then I ended up getting the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now that one right there, I got the creator kit, and I'm gonna tell you guys everything that came with it. It came with a charger, a mic, it came with some external batteries. It also came with a little stand, a wide kit, and it also came with a bag to put all your stuff in. I did upgrade my bag though, because it wasn't convenient enough for me to fit everything in there and be able to pull it out at ease. So I did upgrade my bag, so that was a little extra expense. And I also got some extra items that I'm definitely gonna have to try out. I just got this right here to try out with my camera because the Sony does not have a flash on there. So I got this right here. I seen this on somebody's TikTok. I ran to Amazon and got it, and it's inexpensive. So I like that. But basically this right here is your flash, so you can be able to take pictures with your Sony. So I'm definitely gonna do a review on this and see how this works. And I also got another gadget, and this gadget right here is for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and this is basically a magnet, so I can be able to get those views a little bit of everywhere. I can just stick that bad boy up and get to filming. So now we're gonna get ready to go outside so that we can test to see how these look. Right here is how they look in the control settings. You guys let me know in the comments which one you like best. But this is what they look like in a control settings. Basically, when I say control settings, I mean I have my light right here. I have me an extra light behind me, and I'm filming just a straight shot. But let's sit up here and see what it looks like outside, because I got this little gadget right here. Now this is something that I got off of Amazon. So if you guys want to sit up here and take a look at this, I would definitely link all my products down in my Amazon storefront. So definitely take a look at it. But I like this little gadget because this is going to come in handy when it comes to filming that content. So let's go outside and see the difference between both of these outside, because it snowed today. So I think this would be the perfect day to catch some good views. All right, let's go see what it look like. Okay, so we are gonna get ready to go outside. This right here is what it looks like in like minimal lighting. You kind of see the light from the door right here, because I'm gonna get ready to go outside and get a couple shots of what it looks like out here in the snow. And it's a little gloomy, so I'm gonna show you guys what the Sony camera look like and also what the Osmo Pocket 3 camera look like. All right, let's go outside. Come here, Elijah.
Wait, I see leaves.
Stop. Why you didn't put your glove on? Will you stop? My little monster. Stop! What's wrong? Okay, so that's the views from what it looks like from being outside. You guys let me know which one that you guys prefer. If you guys prefer the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, or if you guys prefer the Sony Let me make sure I'm saying that right. Sony ZV-E10. Now, for me, I'm going to tell you guys my opinion is I love both of these cameras. I love the simple fact that with my DJI, it has the tracking of the face, so I'm able to move. It already comes with its own external mic. That's a plus because this mic right here costs a little pretty penny without the bind if you bought it separately. So I love that about that. I love the convenience of it, that I can put it in my pocket, that I can sit here and film anywhere. And people don't even notice that I have the camera because it's so small. Now, I ain't gonna tell you no story though. This Sony ZV-E10 is so perfect if you're just trying to do sit down content. So if you're not trying to vlog with it, because baby, I took this bad boy out of town one time and holding it like this with my arm, I couldn't even lift my arm about 3 days of holding that camera like this. My arm was hurting. So I definitely do not recommend I don't recommend for vlogging, not for me, but I definitely recommend the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 if you're gonna vlog. Like, I definitely recommend that. But my Sony, I love my Sony for filming my YouTube videos. I love it for sit down videos and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend, if you're not trying to vlog or anything and you just want to shoot YouTube videos, I say get the Sony. But if you want to be able to do both, if you want to vlog, if you're trying to be a travel content creator or something like that, get the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Like, I think that will work best for you. It'll get more bang out your buck. But hey, this is just my opinion. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys think. Which camera do you guys prefer? And if you do have the camera, let us know why you recommend it. Alright, bye y'all. Do YouTube again. Now, if you're here watching this video, you are giving it the same shot